Nina Howland, you were there when? You were there when? You're amazing. This is the beginning of an extraordinary career. You can imagine how I felt at Pearl Studios, and I'm so proud of you, and I'm so thrilled you're all there to witness it. Do it, even though you've lived away across town, and you're wondering to yourself, hey, what have I found?